I invite all my students to put their microphone on and give a hearty applause to the champion of the day, Romina from UK, who has
Yay!
passed.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Romina.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Romina.
Aguri!
Congratulations, Romina.
Congratulations.
I'm happy
Okay,
for
let's
you.
go.
Congrats.
I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Agure, congrats.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, now I
Congratulations.
put all the mics off. Wait, hold on. Huh? What a fish market. Now listen, Romy, I'm just joking. Romina, where are you? Put your microphone on. You're champion.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can all hear you loud and clear.
Oh my God, thank you everyone. I was dreaming of, am I gonna have my moment that everybody says congratulations to me? I kept seeing people, having this moment. I'm like, maybe one day it will be me.
So
No,
tell us about your journey, Romina. How you found this school and whatever you've done and all the thing you want to say.
I mean, first of all, I'm exhausted, relieved, very relieved, and I'm very, very happy. I mean, I have to admit, when I first started it, so for all the newcomers, I found it quite tough because I'm like traditionally, I'm someone who learns in order, very structured. So I had to really go out of my comfort zone to get used to this different way of learning. And I'm really glad that I stuck to it. And all I can say is that, yes, follow, your method. And I trusted it, and I'm really glad I did. And one thing I wanted to make sure to say is that I'm truly thankful I really felt that Ambrish, you believed in me. And sometimes I doubted, and I was like, oh my God, can I actually do this in another language, And I really felt like today when I was in the test, I didn't feel alone. Like I felt I was in a team, that you were there, and you taking the time last night and this morning to do a quiz with me really helped. And the things that you advised me to think and the frame of mind were really helpful. And I arrived in such a good frame of mind. And I remember another lady that passed not long ago said, stay away from the others because sometimes they're talking negative, and that's true. Like that happens. So I was like, sorry, I have to move. Like I moved. And that was really good. And I just felt like I never felt alone. And even my husband was telling me, like, I can't believe like he takes the time to take care of you right before the test. And I was like, well, you actually genuinely care. And I hope everybody knows that you genuinely care, and that's not common anymore. People don't do that.
Very kind of you.
So thank you so much. I'm really grateful. And I guess one piece of, advice or suggestion that I would say maybe for people, I think following your method of learning, you have to do it. And I wouldn't have passed without it. And on a separate note, if there's people in the class that are a little bit sensitive to noise, like me, I'm very sensitive to noise. I would say make sure you practice some of your tests with background noise, because there is background noise halfway through the test. People finish early, they're pulling the chairs. Some people are asking questions, and you need to learn to concentrate through that. I was studying in a very sterile environment. I was lucky to be able to do that. But then I added some of my practice tests with noise, vacuum cleaner and all. So, that really helped to learn to focus and stay in the zone. But yes, thank you so much, everyone. It's
One
been
question,
amazing to be
Romina.
part of this.
One question. When you were reading the questions of the exam, were you hearing my voice in your head?
Oh, yes.
Everybody
Yes.
hears my voice in the head, that this is the right answer, this is the wrong answer.
Oh my God, king of the road, no more. Yeah.
So, okay.
No, God help me. Yes, for sure. Like the guy minding the room must have been thinking, what is she doing? I was like, yeah.
All right. You made us all very happy. We're all happy, proud of you. And remember, we did the promise of passing the theory. I said, everybody will. So don't worry. Oh, your day will come. We will applaud for all of you. Don't worry. But when for the practical time, just 4 days before, contact me. I'll give you exactly what you need to do and pass the first try. Okay? You made us all very
I
proud.
will,
God bless you.
100%.
Tell all your friends about us. Okay, Romina? Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.